We've been asked by so many buyers to bring on a new property before Christmas. So here it is, 325 Walcott Street in Coolbinia. Nestled right on the border of North Perth, with Kyella Park and primary school behind us. And of course, the farmers markets, which you'll really enjoy on a Saturday morning. The home, for all the character lovers, I promise you, as soon as you walk through, you'll be taken by all the character charm of yesteryear, from the wide boards, from the high ceilings. I think you'll really appreciate the dome ceiling as you walk through. The pool at the back, what a time of year to have that. The parties that this family's enjoyed and the memories that your family can create. And of course, the guest house where you can have friends and family stay at any time, or just you can tap into another income stream. A beautiful family home, and we'd love to see you at our open. I'm Jason from Able Property.